Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. As you all know, my name is Mongai Kihara and it has been exactly 1 year since we featured such a small estate. Today we are in Ruiru Mugutha, and behind me is a gated estate of exactly 4 units, and each unit has a print area of 140 square meters. As you can see, each home is enjoying its privacy and each house has been constructed on a 40 by 80 lot of land. From there, you can see that the outside of each unit has been done very well. I like the exterior garden. It has been manicured very well. I like it that the developer made sure that he added several types of flowers to make sure that this area will be blossoming all around the year. The drainage around this gated estate has been done very well, and as you can see from there, the water is flowing freely, so you are very sure that this area cannot be flooded. In addition to that, the developer made sure that the houses are straightly raised and they are fairly sloped to the outside to make sure that the rain runoff does not stagnate in the compound. From there, you can see that each unit has been surrounded by a perimeter wall. On top of that, you have a razor wire and an electric fence. The developer made sure that he added a set of light to make sure that he improves on the security and the night environment. Each unit comes with a 3-car parking like this one, and as you can see from there, it has been done very well. I like the cabro patterns, and they are blending very well with the very well done perimeter wall. Before we continue, let's have a very small talk. First, the value of a unit is contributed by 2 things. First, we have the construction itself, and there is also the value of the plots that a house is sitting on. The price of these units is 9.5 for cash buyers and 9.7 for mortgage buyers. And what is very important to note is that the appreciation of a property is contributed much by the size of the land and the ability of the land that a house is sitting on to appreciate. In this case, each unit has been constructed on a 40 by 80 lot, which is a sizable plot. You also have these 140 square meters of livable space, and you have your parking area here, and on my far left you have your front garden. I like it that at the center of the front garden, you have this tub that has been set aside for you to wash maybe your gumboots, maybe you can wash your pets here, or you can wash your cars. The garden has been done very well. I like it that the developer made sure that he added some manure to make these flowers blossom. In another news, we have gotten some messages that some of you are being conned. That's because most of you fail to do due diligence on the properties that you purchase. If you would want us to help you with the pre-purchase inspection, make sure that you call us in the number attached in the first comment. And me and the team will make sure that you are buying a very legit property. Below this garden, you have a biodigester, and it is very important to note that the developer made sure that the house is paved all around, so you can always use the circumference around the unit as a jogging track. This is the main entrance porch. As you can see it from there, it is very beautiful and it is welcoming you to this awesomeness of a house. If you haven't noticed, the beauty of each unit has been enhanced by the potted flowers that are on both sides of the entrance porch. Let's get inside. Very interesting. This unit has been done very well. If you check the walls very well, you'll see some glittering effect of this paint. I think the developer has worked very well on the design and the finishing of these units. From there, you can see that the gypsum ceilings have been done excellently. The lighting is awesome, and the mixture of colors and the blending of each of them is very well done. From the entrance, you can see that each unit comes with a double door, and that makes it very easy for you to get your furniture inside. The big window is an improvement because it gives you a ton of natural light during the day. I like it that the developer did the curtains very well. They are very well aligned, and when you do the modern curtains in this house, let me tell you, the beauty will be highly improved. The living room is opening to the dining area on this side, and the dining area is opening to the kitchen. The dining area is sizable, big enough to fit a 6-seater all the way to an 8-seater dining set, and you have some cabinetry here for your cutlery. The traditional way of doing houses has been stopped because people like to interact more these days. That's why you can see so many developers adopting the open plan method. The dining area is opening to the kitchen as I mentioned. I like it that it comes with a wash basin here and a soap dispenser just to make sure that you can easily clean your hands before you dig into your big plate of food. The dining area comes with a massive window, and this is sending a ton of light to the dining space, and you don't need to have the lights on for you to enjoy your lunch. From the dining area, that door is giving you an access to the kitchen and the bedroom areas. And before we get to those spaces, this is the focal point of this living room, and this is where you should do your TV. The fact that the developer has included an Ethernet cable, you have your DSTV cables and several sockets, makes it very easy for you to connect all your electronics. From there, you can see that the kitchen is massive. I like the amount of cabinetry that you are getting. This space has been reserved for your gas cooker, and you are getting a double sink. This is where you should do your refrigerator, and I like it that the grey granite countertop is blending very well with the tiling of the kitchen. This is the pantry of this kitchen, and the space is big enough for all your dry foods. This door is taking you to the laundry area and the clotheslines area, and this hallway is taking you to the bedrooms area. Let's see the laundry area first, and then I'll show you all the bedrooms. This is the laundry area, and it is not the best because it is not roofed, so you cannot do your washer and dryer here. You'll have to keep them in the kitchen. This is for outside washing. Each unit comes with a 5,000-liter water tank like this one, and this is not the only tank that you have. On the ceiling, you have another tank that has a capacity of 2,000 liters. This is the clotheslines area, and I like it that the developer has already done it very well and has already prepared the poles for your clotheslines. I'll take you back inside. As I mentioned earlier, you have this hallway that is leading you to the bedroom areas. Here you have the first bedroom, next to it you have the second bedroom, and on my far back you have the common washroom. The primary bedroom is on my right hand side. Let's see the first bedroom, and then I'll show you the rest of the bedrooms. The first bedroom is sizable enough to fit a 5x6 bed or a 6x6 bed. It comes with its window on my far front, and behind me you have its closet. The closet is floor to ceiling, very well done, and the storage is sufficient for your hangable and the foldable clothes. You also get 2 drawers here for the tiny garments. From there, you can see that the ceiling has been done very well. The bathroom to this bedroom is here, and it is a replica to the bathroom that we will see in the next bedroom. This is the second bedroom. Let's see it. The second bedroom is just a replica of the first one. The only difference is that this one comes with a very slightly bigger closet. I like it that the developer included these sections for your shoes, and on my far front you have the bathroom to this bedroom. The lighting of each bedroom has been done very well. I like the ceiling heights, and the developer made sure that DSTV is connected to each bedroom. This is the bathroom to this bedroom. You get your wash basin here. You have a WC, and on my far right you have your showering area. Let's see the primary bedroom. The developer of this residence made sure that he added the controller of the electric fence up here. And on my far front, as I mentioned, you have the common washroom. It comes with a wash basin here. I like it that it is outside, so it is always very easy for you to wash your hands when you are doing other chores in the house. This is a common washroom. It's just standard with all the standard fixtures. If you want to see the shorter version of this video, make sure you scroll our TikTok or our Instagram, African Real Estate. If you want to sell your units, or you want to sell your land or any other property, go to our website, africanrealestate.com, and add your listing. The primary bedroom is the biggest and it is facing the front side of this unit. From there you can see that it comes with a massive window, and this one is sending a ton of natural light to this space. The space is big enough to fit a 5x6 bed, a 6x6 bed, a king size or a queen size bed, and its closet is here. The closet has been done very well. It is floor to ceiling, but one of the biggest downside is that this one may not be sufficient for you and your partner. As you can see, the only space that you get for yourself is this and an additional set of drawers. This is the only space that you have for your shoes. I think the developer should improve on this, because all the other sections will be taken by your partner. That is if you have one. This is the primary bathroom. It comes with all the necessary fixtures that you require. You can add a shower curtain here to separate the bathroom area from the washroom area. I like it that you are getting a double towel holder. The shower has been done very well, and all the other fixtures that are necessary have been added in this space. We have come to the end of the tour, and we hope you have enjoyed. If you would want to purchase any of these units, make sure you call us in the number attached in the first comment. That's all for today. We will see you in the next video.